Today we're running in 2 sets of 300 XLPEs per phase, supplying building 6.
When you're how hard it is to get the cable aids, you might have. As close to when
We're bringing in 1000 amp supply. We come from the site main switchboard stage 2, about 150 metres up, turn 90 degrees right and into a building about another 40 metres where we connect to the building 6 main distribution switchboard. We're going to have approximately 10 staff to do the install. We've got 6 guys at the cable end, which is in building 6. And we have another 3 down at the winch and 1 at each pit, which there is 2 of. Once we've completed that pull, then we'll connect the shorter run, which is about 16 metres from pit 1 to the main switchboard for stage 2. On the first day, we completed about 3 cables in 1 run.
Yeah, there we go.
Tomorrow we've got another 2 runs to go, which will complete the installation.